Today we're talking about writing inequalities. I have two of the situations that are on your worksheet for today. And these are ones that are going to take us a little bit of time to get through, but it's still not any more difficult than anything we've done before. Here's our first situation. Ben brought $23 with her to the county fair. She purchased a $5 t-shirt and now wants to buy some locally grown plants for $2.50 each. What are the numbers of plants she can purchase with her remaining money? The first thing we need to do is set up an inequality. It's just like setting up an equation. We're just going to use an inequality symbol. So we're going to start with our numbers. She brought the $23 with her. This is what she started out with. She already bought a $5 t-shirt and added on to her purchases, because these are her purchases, she's going to buy some locally grown plants for $2.50 each. We don't know how many, but it's $2.50 for every plant. We'll use a P to represent the number of plants. Now, I know this needs to be an inequality. She's only got $23. That's the most that she could possibly spend. So this is going to have to be either smaller than that or equal to it. Now my inequality is set up. That $23, she's already spent 5 of it, and she's going to add on to that $2.50 for every plant she buys. She can't spend more money than she has. She's only got the $23. So now we're going to start solving this to get our answer, how many plants she can buy. We subtract 5 from each side, just like an equation. We work each side, same thing. So this is going to be 18 is greater than or equal to $2.50 per plant. Now I've worked this before on the calculator, and let me tell you, this is what's going to happen. You're going to divide by 2.5 on both sides, $2.50, and you come up with 7.2 is greater than or equal to the number of plants. But if you're buying plants, there's no way someone's going to sell you 0.2 of a plant. No one's going to sell you just the leaves. So what you have to do is change this to a whole number. That 7 is greater than or equal to the number of plants that she can buy. And that will be our final answer there. On the other one, this is a part on the bottom where they're talking about different students trying to earn money. Ricardo has agreed to tutor for the school. He owes his older brother $59 and would like to end the summer with at least $400 in savings. How many sessions can he tutor to meet his goal? In this case, we have one of our key phrases. It's at least. That means this 400, we start with our numbers again, it's going to be the small number here. Our unknown, our X, the number of sessions, or our S number of sessions is probably what they'll use on your paper. That's going to be the big number in this case. If he makes $400, he's there. He's done a good job. If he makes more than that, that's even better. He doesn't want to make less than that. So we're going to make 400 the small number here. So we've got $9 per session of tutoring. But remember, he owes his older brother $59. That's a negative 59 against him in this case. He's going to have to pay that back before he can start saving money up towards this 400. So now we've got our inequality, and we're going to start solving it. We add 59 to both sides. So that leaves us with 9s is greater than or equal to 459. Last step, we divide by 9 on both sides, and that's going to be S number of sessions is greater than or equal to 51. He's going to have to do 51 tutoring sessions across the summer in order to make at least $400. But remember, this is an inequality. If he does more than that, he can make more than the $400 that he wants.